Fetal distress, Scesarean. Doctor distress, he has to go for a wedding, he can't wait whether she'll deliver or not. So, Scesarean. Normal birthing. When you become pregnant, you take your husband and yourself to that normal birthing lady who is not even a doctor. They give you education. 99.99% of them deliver normal. Scientist. I said, what is a scientist? A scientist is an enquirer. Science is a method to find out how nature works. Science is not what Marie Curie said, science is measurement, measurement is science. If that is so, medicine is not science at all, because it all depends on your thought. Can I measure your thought? Can I measure your thought? No. Can I see you now? Do you exist? I don't know. You exist because I see you. If I don't see you, you don't measure. So where is science? So science is, medicine needs a new science called the holistic science. And there are various methods of helping the inside healer, which can be homeopathy, umapathy, ayurveda, modern medicine, etc., etc. Provided it doesn't harm you. This sentence, one sentence you remember, except corrective surgery, supposing you are born with a hole in the heart, just to be corrected, nothing will correct it. Because that hole was supposed to be closed when you are born, for some reason it was not closed. It's also our mistake only. Probably you made you get born in a different way. Instead of you coming through difficult thing and crying, we pulled you out easily, and then says, you know the story? A butterfly has to come out of its cocoon, the worm, and it takes days to come out. One day a child saw that and told the father, I believe, it's struggling to break it so that it come out. So he broke it. The worm could, but because it has to come out through that. So delivery is not at all there. They say, child, what is it? Fetal distress, Scesarean. Doctor distress, he has to go for a wedding, he can't wait whether she'll deliver or not. So, Scesarean. Bombay, I was told 90% Scesarean at one stage. Now in New York, they allow people to deliver normally. That's what's called normal birthing. When you become pregnant, you take your husband and yourself to that normal birthing lady who is not even a doctor. They give you education. 99.99% of them deliver normal. That's why one of our professors who wrote the first textbook, Indian textbook, Lakshman Samudalia, had this formula in the book. He wrote, masterly inactivity but watchful expectancy is obstetrics. Today, masterly inactivity and quick delivery is our formula. Because today we want money. Normal delivery, how much money you get? Everybody at least a cut, which is called episiotomy. Studies have an episiotomy does not heal well, but a normal tear, if it happens, heals very well. A normal tear gives the pelvis a good strong pelvis, an episiotomy leaves it very weak. Now if you allow the child to come through that, that's also a development of the mind. It is called perinatal consciousness. There is a prenatal consciousness in the stomach, perinatal consciousness, and then postnatal consciousness. Perinatal consciousness, I tell you, supposing the child wants to come out stage, for some reason either the doctor or the drug delays that. Child wants to breathe but can't breathe. It gets that suffocating imprinted in his mind. These are the people who get asthma later on in life. It's all in your consciousness. You get born when your cells, individual cells, get the message from the universal consciousness through the wall, which I call as magic brain. The brain is in each cell. Membrane is the cover. I call it as membrane. You can see in the internet, magical membrane. Now it's like a television set. I was telling the Hinduja people this morning. You switch on your television, let us say Amitabh Bachchan or Shah Rukh Khan. Then your wife calls you for dinner. Switch off the television. Both Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan have died. But you go to the dinner room and your wife has a television there, the same channel, they come alive again. Human being that. When you get the message from the universal consciousness, of which you are an individual consciousness. Get the message, you become alive. Okay? But like Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan, you are not there inside the you are in the consciousness. Remember that? The Amitabh Bachchan is not in the television set, only the energy wave set. You are not alive, but the energy wave, you are a part of the consciousness. You are a